Hello and welcome to another Godot tutorial, and today I'll be showing you how to generate a collision shape for a mesh that's been altered by a displacement texture. So first off, under your mesh instance, which is the map, I want you to add a static body 3D node, and then under the static body add a collision shape 3D. And on this collision shape, in the inspector, assign a height map shape 3D. Once you've done this, go to the scene objects and on collision shape, attach a script. I'll name this script collision. And so from the last tutorial, we have our height map here, and I will load this resource into a variable called height map. After this, I'll define the height map image variable. After this, we need a couple more variables. These two variables will set the minimum and maximum size for our collider. So once you've set these in the ready function, you can delete the pass statement and add these lines. We need to get the image into another variable, so the height map image variable will serve for this purpose. From the height map, we want to get the image from the texture, and after we do this, we actually need to convert it to a supported format. So we'll go ahead and do that. After this, we can update our shape, which is height map shape 3D, as we can see here in the inspector, with our new height map image. So this script will work fine if you have a height map with the same resolution as your mesh instance 3D. So here I have 40 by 40 pixels, and I have the size of this mesh is just 40 by 40. If I go back to the 3D scene and check out how the topology of the mesh looks, it still conforms to the height map texture, and the height map shows how to generate a collider. So for example, if I turn on visible collision shapes in the debug, you can run the project and we'll see that collision shapes are generated according to the topology of our mesh. So we can turn off the actual mesh itself so we can see the collider better. And once we switch back to the project, you can see that the collider follows the mesh topology. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this helped you generate a collider for your map mesh.